had a lovely morning, and now we just motoring over 3.5 nautical to where we will have the little pre-summer meet with Boréal. He's just over there. I think it will be nice. Hopefully there will be some sauna and yeah, nice people. Yeah, we had a little party yesterday, which we did not film, with a couple of other boats that was in the same bay. They are also going there tonight, so it will be fun. Hemflen, who is the club island of the Navigation Society. We'll go and have a look here, where we're having this little pre-summer meeting for our ocean sailing club in Sweden. So this is a new style in Sweden. You more with the bow too, and you would have like a buoy in the back, so you have to jump off the anchor here. You see, a lot of boats have like a ladder, so everybody is gathering here with a glass of bubble, and some boats has the flags up. So it's time to go up and fire up the sauna. It's like, so there you have where you jump in the water, and the sauna is here. This is a beautiful place. So as a guest, if you ever sail in the Stockholm Archipelago, so you can come here. You will pay 300 Swedish crowns to stay a night, and that would be like 30 euros or $30, and you can use all these facilities. And the sauna here is a wood firing thing, so you have to light it up, start the fire, and now we can just wait, I don't know, half an hour maybe, and look at this view. I don't know if you can see it out there. Yeah, now you can see it, but this looks promising. Very good. Now we have to check it one more time, and then we can. Now it's sauna time. The sauna is warm, and I have 2 beers inside there, and let's go. Now we'll see if somebody beat me to the sauna. Ah, Peter, are you ready for some sauna?
Yes.
Yes, perkele.
Perkele.
It's time for a swim.
Whoa.
What's it called?
Oh, it's cold.
Oh. It's my turn next. Oh.
Say hi to Frank.
Frankie boy.
Frankie boy. It's ice cold.
Ice cold. I have to go in now. It's cold. Oi, oi, oi. Ooh. This was fresh. 15 degrees. That's the perfect temperature. Ah. And now, after the first dip, you can have a beer.
Absolutely.
And a sauna is always 3 dips in the water. So this was the first. And then you have to have a beer in between. Now we're enjoying the beer. So that was an Omega 42 you said out there.
Yes.
Yeah. Is he coming in here? No.
No.
Okay.
A baby.
Baby.
And they are in there.
Och ni sitter här och ni fryser inte.
So the sauna ceremony is over, and now we are just waiting for the barbecue. Now it's barbecue time.
Yeah.
Do you have everything for the barbecue?
I think so, yeah.
I hope so. I think they have already started up there. Did we take this one? Yeah, perfect. We are good to go. Hej Doggen!
Summer meeting is over because this is the next day and people are starting to leave.
So we have just come out here from the Skepparholmen. And it's a good wind, I can tell you. It will be a good downwind. I think we only take up the Genoa.
Yeah.
Because
It's a lot
it
of
will
wind.
be, yeah, and it will only be from behind. And we have another sailboat there coming. They have a reef. They have been tacking. I did see that. Genoa is up now. And we're already doing like 7. We have wind of 24, 25 knots. And yeah, we are quick now. You can see these guys, they are sailing the other direction. There's another one out there. And there is some waves here as well.
So we are back in Jelna.
Yeah.
And we will go and have a little hike.
And the place where we are at is called Hemflen, which is like home Fladen. We will find out.
Fladen would be like an open area of
Open
water, I would say.
Or our Fladen costumes when we
Yeah,
sing.
but that's
Could also be-
where they got the name from.
Oh, really?
I guess. You have to look up what Fladen means. But
Well, I
So-
know what it means, but I don't know the English.
so we stopped here when we came from France, but we didn't have a dinghy then. But now we have a dinghy, so we can go ashore.
Yeah, stretch our legs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I jump.
Did you jump?
Yeah.
So there is like a small restaurant in here, but I don't think this is kind of pre-season.
It is, but I'm sure they have ice cream.
You think?
However, I hate to admit it. The sun is shining, the wind is blowing, but it is rather cold.
Yeah. Here is your ice cream.
And it is salty licorice.
Why not? You like the house?
Oh,
You have ice cream on your lip there. You have to take it away because you might look stupid there. Crazy woman. Look. So I think this is.
so this is coming apples already.
Is it apples there?
It is a warm spot, so yeah.
No. So let's go and for a little walk on this lovely little island. What was the name of it again?
Jelna.
Yes. So if you do like island hopping with these ferries, this would be the hostel that you can stay in here.
It used to be a school.
Ah, so this is the old schoolhouse.
And they have signposts in English.
That's good. Do you want to be a goalie when I kick one of these balls? Huh?
No.
Why not? Come on. You can behave like a child even if you are over 60. Yeah. Woo! Okay. Are you ready? You ready? Ah! I think you can do better than that. You have to finish your ice cream first. Are you with me? Oh!
Then my turn.
Okay, your turn. But now I'm filming you. Okay. Whoa! You made a goal, my dear. Do you want to have one more try? Okay. I got it. You need to find a pump there.
It is a freshwater pump, and by the Swedish government, kind of. They check it every 3rd year.
For that is okay to drink.
Yeah. It.
So we know where we can find water.
Yeah.
After the summer meeting, we stopped here like an hour or a little more before our marina, and we're having a nice weather. So we are hanging out here for the day, and I will see if I can catch a flash.
Yeah.
Because now there is some lightning and thunder.
Yeah.
I guess you can see it here now. It's raining quite a lot. See a flash? So we are just sitting here enjoying the yeah, nice and cozy, and licking our wounds after the party on the meeting there.
You're so funny.
This is what we say.
Yes, I know, but there weren't any wounds to be licking, really.
Yeah, it was not too much of a party. Yeah, it was very nice.
It was very nice and very grown up.
But it was no clubbing and dancing and things like that, and we went to bed quite decent.
Yeah.
Good
time.
Because the night before we spent with some other people and we were up late.
After midnight.
Yeah, but you know what Judas Priest thinks.
No.
Living after midnight, rocking to the dawn.
Well, we didn't do that.
Loving till the morning, and I'm gone. You said it was a little bit pity.
Yeah, it's such a nice evening, but
It's not warm enough.
it's the chill factor.
Yeah, but we are still barbecuing.
Yeah.
We are barbecuing, and I think we will have a lovely sunset. And maybe, if there is no rain coming, I might fly the drone.
So this was interesting. I just crashed the drone in the island behind Jeanette, in the tree somewhere. So we will see if we can go and find it. You can see it on the map here. So I know where it should be. And this has some kind of function, find my drone. So it will be good. Let's go and see if we can find it. This is a little bit embarrassing, but shit happens. This will be interesting to see if we can find it. So somewhere on this island it should be. Let's go and find it. I had to climb here and I'm trying to find it here. It's I just fell there. No. It's kind of steep. You see Jeanette down there and I had to climb up here. I should be close to it now. There it is. I found it. Yeah. See how it looks. Okay. It's alive. I lost the prop. Looks like. It's good.
Yeah.
Are you also coming up here?
Yeah. So I didn't need to bring this one then.
No. You thought it was stuck in the trees,
Yes.
but we were lucky there.
So
But I don't know where the prop is. But I think we should go back before the rain starts too much. Think of all the adventures you are on. You have your crazy husband flying drones into the woods. And now we have to come down here without falling. Because it's kind of steep. And we took the boots, our sailing boots, and they don't have the best grip on the. It has good grips on the boat, but here it's not maybe the best.
I can go down and. As long as you don't fall on me, I'm good.
I'm trying not to.
Oh, look at the boat.
Huh? I thought we would have nice drone shots, but we have even a very good shot from here with the camera. Huh?
Yeah.
Not bad. Are you coming?
Ja.
After the drone drama here, I want to show you this sky that we have here. It's kind of awesome. But I can't fly the drone since I don't have a spare prop with me. I have them at home. So with this, I think we say good night and auf Wiener Schnitzel.